Day 806 of the All-American Startup Journey. It's super early and it is raining like crazy, everybody, and I love it. Spring is right around the corner now. The rain is going to make all the buds come up, the grass, the leaves. Very excited. And we are on our way to the shop to start the week off. And it's good. It's good. We had a really good weekend. Got a lot done. Got a lot of resting in. I've been making sure I take time to rest. That's been a big thing. I almost burnt myself out last month, so that was not fun. I was pretty worn out. But the new thing is I'm playing chess with my boys. We love playing games. And my eldest, he's really loving chess. And I hadn't beat him. And then I thought of an idea. I was like, why don't we play speed chess? Because I think really good, I feel like, on the move and very fast. And it makes it where I can only think about two moves ahead when I play speed chess, tops. Sometimes it's only one. And my oldest, he can think 4 to 5 moves ahead pretty consistently, so he's whooping me. Smashed him once you switch to speed. So, and I was thinking about that, and I was like, that's how you lean into your strengths, right? Like, I know I'm outmatched, but we just played the same game, we just changed the rules, and I ended up winning, and I won twice in a row. So, there's definitely a lesson to be learned there of knowing what you're good at and what you're not, and seeing if you can make it an advantage to you. So, I have no idea what that relates to right now in this moment. I just know there's something there. So we'll just leave it at that, and we'll see you tomorrow.